Hello, this is Jackie Capps, and this is a quick how-to navigate this Literacy Framework and Environment Plan interactive map. So it's just a regular Google Slides presentation. You can use the interactive map feature by going into present mode and clicking on these headings here. They're links to different slides, and then within this heading slide, there's links to informational slides where you'll find the information you can read through. And there's links to each one. If you're unsure, click on it. If it doesn't take you anywhere, it's not a link. And if you want to avoid that feature, you can just use your arrow keys and just go through the presentation in a linear fashion. And if you're unsure, you can always come over here and make sure you've seen everything. But everything is in working order. So enjoy this presentation for my Literacy Framework and Environment Plan.